Hi, my loved ones. Welcome back to the Colors of Dark Night. And in today's video, I'll be sharing something that we all might have experienced, but we might not have paid so much of attention to it. And today's video is about the importance of people. Since we have just came out of Corona session, the months where we actually lived in complete lockdown, is for a very long time, and some might be having such an opportunity to stay with your family, which no one might have expected. So when I say about importance of people, I am also referring to that set of people who are known as char log and what the society is gonna say. Yes, I'm referring to that set as well, and I'm also referring to that set of people who are always being a strength, a support to you, but you rarely pay any sort of attention to them. So in today's video, we are going to talk about all those people. So first and foremost, I'll be talking about that set of people who always demotivate you, who always make strong comments on you, who are ultimately changing your life. And this is first because you always keep them first. I don't know why. And everybody does, no matter about it. So when I'm talking about that set of people, I just want you guys to remember that even though you lose or you win, this char log and the society gonna say, and let them say. Whenever you're going out for any of a trip or any of the location or destination you want to go, you don't actually look at the person who are screaming in between. You just reach out to a location, right? You don't stop each and every time and ask people what you are saying. You don't explain them why you are going there. So there's no point in answering all those char log and the society. Just for a very sharper note, I want to say that just analyze yourself, that if you're doing something into your life, is it going to be in a better way? Are you doing it for a good? Are you doing it for a bad one? Or is it going to really make you a person who you want to be? You have to really analyze it, because you have to be very strong, right? Because there are several questions that are being asked each and every time. I think those char log are gonna say, and you can't stop them into speaking, but you can change you can't change all those 130 million people in a country, but you can change a one person who's you. You have the liability and responsibility of that one person, and I suppose that you can actually change yourself. So stop really considering all those people. But ultimately, I think one or the other day, if they'll scream out into your ears for about daily 18 hours a day, so I think definitely they're gonna harm you. So always, on a very safer note, it's very important that you really analyze each and every act of yours. If you are talking about, if I opted, I want to start a YouTube channel, I'll answer each and every question. I'll put up my own question and answer all those questions. Like, for in future, if anybody asks me about why you did in every difficult questions, I'll be answering them definitely. So never get scared of those people. And you know what, they are really stealing your life. We have to encounter these people, these char log and the society gonna say, because either you encounter them or they are going to encounter you. And most of the time, 60% it happens that they are encountering you. They're stealing your life, they're stealing your confidence, they're stealing everything. Because I think the first question, irrespective of if you want to do it or not, you are just thinking about what they're gonna say, what the people are gonna say. Don't think about it. If you really have decided something, study the pros and cons and just go for it. Because at the end of your age, or at the end of your life, at the end of your day, when you're actually on your bed, when you will be of 70 or 80 plus, and you will be sitting lying down on a bed, and you will be unable to actually walk, so what are you going to blame at? These char log? Stopping them at that moment as well. So at that moment, when you'll be lying helpless, I think they'll actually be commenting on you, and that moment you'll be screaming onto yourself inside that why didn't I really enjoy my life. So instead of always regretting things, I think it becomes really important that you answer them back. So if they are really gonna, and I also want to say something more, I'll add on to it. That it happens most of the time that we don't actually do what we really want to do, and because we are really getting affected by those set of people, so it really hurts, right? we also have to encounter we also have to encounter that set of people who are always, making, not just commenting you, who are your friends or your fellows and are always demotivating you or backstabbing you. All of us might have really faced or experienced this. So for those people, I want to say that there are people who are very familiar with you but are still backstabbing you. For that people, if you ever encounter such sort of people, guys, don't pay attention to them. They don't deserve it. They really don't deserve it, because it's very important that you know the real worth of each and every person who has in your life. Like, it's your life, you're not going to get it back, so don't spend and don't waste it on such sort of people. I don't know why these cars are so loud, huh? Anyways, coming back to the point, sorry for the disturbance. So coming back to the point, these people are really gonna be wasting your moments, so don't waste your life. And when it comes to those people who are backstabbing you, so it's their job, guys. Until and unless people come to you, talk to you, ask you questions, because you know what, each and every person has a quote in themselves. I don't know why they're always like, is it right, is it wrong? You don't trust me. You just you just need to feel that whenever there's a person close to you or your family member, they'll always ask you why. Because सही और गलत के बीच में सिर्फ एक चीज़ होती है, वो होता है रीज़न, जो उसको डिसाइड करता है कि वो सही है या वो गलत है. सो फैमिली, द पर्सन हु रियली केयर्स फॉर यू, विल ऑलवेज need to know and pay more attention to why did you really opted to do something wrong and what made you to do something right. And a person who is never ever close to you and who is backstabbing you will never pay attention to what really made you do something wrong. So don't pay sort of attention to that people who are backstabbing you or are always those char log wala community. And now coming back to that wala community, which I am talking about, is your families, your supporters, your well-wishers. It can be anyone, not only blood relations, but anyone. So for them, what I want to say is, all of us really, most of your life, we don't really pay any sort of attention to those people who have been a constant support to us, who make our life a happier one, because we always neglect them. We don't pay a lot of attention because that is an easy job. We can't really be happy, right? We always want to be sad. I don't know why. We always search for happiness, but we want to be sad. This is a kind of dilemma. Don't really pay lots of attention to those people who are making you sad or making you worse. Always believe and always feel happier for a better thing that happens into your life. And if I'm saying better people into your life or better moments into your life, it is about your supporters and your well-wishers. Like, there are some people who don't really find people more important. Like, you don't feel that your family is important to you. They weigh money more than that. So I just want to ask you a question. Do you really remember about how much did you earn in 4 years? You can't really. You need a calculator. But I can really assure you how much happy was I when I celebrated my 12th birthday. So this is what it happens. Like, there are 365 days in a year, sometimes 366 days, and out of that, I think I can really cut a cake or have a cake, eat a cake any day. But it is my birthday when I really feel happy. And this is not just about the wishes that I get. It's not about the day. The day is very normal. It has 24 hours, the sun sets, the sun rises, the normal routine. But it is just about the wishes and the cakes, my family supports, and the well-wishers that are around me that make it a different one. So family is important, guys. So in today's video, I shared with you how to deal with those uglier side of life who actually make you to lose, and the side which actually supports you, and we forget to pay a lot of importance to them and their support. So I'm not just asking you guys to completely make a difference to your life, but avoid them. Don't fight with them actually, but try and avoid. Just they are just a part of crowd that I don't know. And when it comes to your loved ones or supporters and well-wishers, kindly do something. Actually something. Pay more attention to them, their feelings, pamper them, cherish them, and love them the way you want to. Because they are gonna love you every moment. They are real supporters of you. And do pay more attention to money, do pay more attention to your jobs, because work is worship. But you need to remember that at the end of your life, even if you're bankrupt, all these well-wishers are gonna stay with you. So money is something else, job is something else, but your family and your well-wishers are something else, and they're worthless. You can't really buy them. So this, I'm done with the video. If you feel like we need to talk more about this, do comment, do like, do share, do subscribe my channel, and love you guys. Bye.